Hello friends! Today we are learning flowers. Flowers are pretty and colorful. They smell so nice. Say the names with me. Let's start. Rose, rose, red rose, pretty rose.
Yay!
Lotus, lotus, pink lotus, beautiful lotus.
Yay!
Sunflower, sunflower.
Yay!
Yellow flower, big flower. Lily, lily, white lily, soft flower.
Yay!
Tulip, tulip, bright tulip, happy flower.
Yay!
Jasmine, jasmine, small jasmine, sweet smell.
Yay!
Marigold, marigold, orange marigold, round flower.
Yay!
Daisy, daisy, white daisy, cute flower.
Yay!
Hibiscus, hibiscus, red hibiscus, big petals.
Yay!
Orchid, orchid, purple orchid, lovely flower. Lavender, lavender, purple flower.
Yay!
Bluebell, bluebell, blue flower, little bell.
Yay!
Wow, friends, so many beautiful flowers. Clap, clap. Flowers make us happy. See you in the next fun video. Don't forget to like, smile and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye bye friends.